Welcome back to my vlog. We're going to be doing chicken broccoli fried rice. Quick, simple. And hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, if you like this video or any of my other cooking videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Let's get to cooking. I got my large skillet here. Normally I'd be using wok, but as I don't have one, we got a substitute. You got about a quarter cup of oil, just straight up vegetable oil. Normally I'd add a mixture of vegetable oil and peanut oil, but peanut oil is a little more expensive and I don't use it much, so just doing straight up olive or vegetable oil. Got a quarter cup of small diced ginger. Dump that in the oil. About a teaspoon of garlic. We added some crushed red chilies. Not much, about half a teaspoon. Let it cook for a few minutes. Trying to get the oil infused with the ginger and the garlic and chilies. Once we notice the garlic starting to brown or caramelize a little, we're going to be adding the chicken. And in wok, you just be tossing this around while it's getting hot. That's two chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. That's the best we can do in this pot. For the skillet, toss it there. And ideally, it's best to use cold rice from like the night before or whatnot. And here I got about 3 cups, 2.5 to 3 cups rice I cooked off last night. About a cup and a half or so of broccoli, frozen. We're going to cook the chicken till it's mostly cooked through. We're gonna add the broccoli. Now we're going to take this Vietnamese chili garlic sauce. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name. 1 tablespoon of it. Now it is a little spicy. I got the stove on medium high. Turn it up a little to between medium high and high. If your stove has only set temperatures, then go ahead and put it up on high, but keep an eye on it. We're going to add the rice. I use a rice cooker to make this rice. So break it up. Normally it's best if you dump it out and break it up if you know you're going to be making a fried rice for the next day. One of the reasons why it's best to use cold rice is because if you use hot rice, it'll continue cooking. But if you use cold rice, for the most part, you're just warming it back up, heating it back up, not cooking it, actually. That way it don't get all mushy. You're going to turn the heat back down, about to medium. Take some soy sauce. Or if you have it, you can use a hoisin sauce. Cover this for about good 5 minutes, and it should be ready. Here, it's time to pull the lid off. And it's ready to eat. Stop the heat. and I'll see you at the table. Here we go. Try it out. Not bad at all. Nice ginger flavor. Broccoli's cooked thoroughly. Chicken's cooked thoroughly. All in all, pretty damn good. Oh, this has been Tom. This has been Tom. Thank you for watching my video. And have a good evening.